Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to cook Sigarilyas sa Gata or winged beans in coconut milk. Come on, let's get going. Now we're going to cook the Sigarilyas sa Gata or winged bean in coconut milk. Now this is the winged bean. Why is it called the winged bean? Look. So when we cut it, okay, look. Isn't it cute? It looks like it's a little butterfly. So that's why it's called the winged bean. And so we're going to cut it into this size, so we're going to make a vegetable dish with it. And to make it a little bit more flavorful, there's just a small piece of pork belly. And for added decor, some prawns or shrimps. And of course it has garlic and onion and shrimp paste, or as they say, bagoong. And to blend it all in is coconut milk. The shrimps, and I will devein them. Here's the coconut and grated the matured coconut, and we're going to put some water so that we can get the milk out of it. And you have to squeeze so that the milk comes out. These are the prawns that have been peeled and deveined. This is the decoration for the Sigarilyas sa Gata. So, but you have to just pan-fry them so that they will go nicely on top of the sigarilyas. Just a little bit of oil. When it curls, it's in a fetal position, the prawn is done. And not only in a fetal position, but that there is no raw color that you see. You don't want to overcook seafood, especially prawns, because they become tough. So you have to really keep an eye on it. Okay, it's done. Turn the heat off and transfer. Ta-da! Okay, now we're going to blanch the winged bean or sigarilyas. And why? Because if you don't blanch it and you just cook it like, sautéing and put coconut milk, it's going to be acrid or mapakla. So you don't want that. And The only way to get rid of that is to blanch the wing bean just for a minute. Then rinse it, and then you can use it now. We've let all that acrid taste go away with the water. Okay, so we turn on the stove. Just a low fire. Then we put in our cooking oil. Okay, then we put in our garlic. And onion. When I started cooking a long time ago, I was told by my grandmother that I first had to make sure that the garlic was already a little light golden brown before I put in the onions. But I find that with the garlic nowadays, you almost have to put them one after the other because somehow the garlic turns brown quicker. Maybe because it's so genetically modified. And as you can see, I have my pretty little pot again. Now it's orange. And making me cry. Now we're going to add the pork so that we can also sort of like sear it. And now we're going to put a bit of the shrimp paste so that it will have that pungent flavor mixed in with the pork. Smell that. Smell that. Okay, now that we have mixed it in, we're going to put coconut milk. Simmer for about 5-10 minutes so that the pork will get a bit, you want it a little tender. Oh, sarap siduri. Now I actually forgot to put the ginger together with the garlic and onion. So we're going to put it in now. Why? So that it will take away the fishy, sometimes taste and smell of the shrimp paste. Okay. And at this time, we're going to put in some chili, so to give it a little kick. I'm going to taste it. It's good. But now it has a kick. Now we put some fish sauce, a bit of just a bit of salt. Not pepper anymore because the chili has the kick already. We'll leave it for another 5 minutes so that the pork pieces can tenderize some more. Okay, so to see that your pork is already tender, we're going to test it. If it's not, then we'll have to give it another 5 minutes. Oh, not yet. Not yet. Maybe 10 minutes, okay? So 10 minutes. See you. Okay, now we're going to look if it is tender already. Okay, it is. And how does it taste? And remember, we blanched the wing beans or the sigarilyas. And now we're going to mix it together. And it's always nice to have a sprinkle of black pepper. We'll cover it for just 3 minutes and it's done. Okay, now we're going to test if the wing bean is already cooked. A little bit more. Too crunchy. But boy, does it have a kick. Okay, we'll give it 5 minutes. Okay, we're going to see whether it is already cooked. And we decorate it. Then turn off the heat. That's it. So here it is, Sigarilyas sa Gata, or wing bean in coconut milk. So let's have a tasty. Now, let me know how yours turns out. Tag me at Tita Meg Cooks when you upload your photos. See you next recipe. Toodle-doo!
Guys, look at the camera and smile.
What are you doing to that? Me! What?
Ang gandang B-roll nito. Blooper reels. Okay, I'm ready na.
And now we're about to cook the
Oh.
Sigarilyas.
Sigarilyas sa Gata.
Sigarilyas sa Gata. And now we're going to do Sigarilyas sa Gata. Wing bean in coconut milk. Let me say Bubble, toilet trouble.
Busog ka na nga, makulit ka na eh.
Naging Macbeth.